Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Dogecoin. Shout out to the Dogecoin family, for showing a lot of support. I will try my absolute best to give you guys updates as much as possible. If you want to see more of these updates, do let me know in the comments down below so I know that you guys are interested. But if you're looking across the board as we are entering a brand new week ahead of us, you are starting to see some coins that are still in green, but the market is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback today because we did see dominance pick back up for just a few seconds and pulled back down. So clear manipulation happening, which of course in return have impacted the altcoin market. But if you're focusing on the hourly time frame, things are picking up once again. But let's take a look at what's happening with Dogecoin right now and what we could be expecting. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the price, 43.16 cents, down about 0.7% in USD, also down about 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $63.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still sky high, almost sitting at 11 billion. Now, for focusing on the broader meme coin market right now, actually the broader meme coin market is going to take 131.1 billion. I'm not sure if there's a glitch here, but yeah, like 131 billion. There's something that does not add up, unless of course, oh right, Dogecoin did have a massive move. Are we forgetting that? But yeah, Dogecoin has had a great day. If you're looking at the top 10 coins over the course of the last 7 days, it's the top gainer in the last 7 days. Tells you everything you need to know in terms of its momentum. And the price is really showing significant amounts of obviously potential to make its way towards some levels that we haven't seen since the last cycle. We're already starting to see that happen. And I think this week, if Bitcoin is able to break out to the likes of new all-time high, who knows if Dogecoin is going to break out with it. I personally think that could definitely be a possibility. And of course, the Department of Government Efficiency, that narrative, obviously as we do hear, Elon Musk continuing to go with that wave, you are going to see Dogecoin's price react, I think, in a positive way to that correlation. And on top of that, this time around, of course, Donald Trump, who's the president of the United States, is backing Elon Musk. So I think in terms of the potential for Dogecoin and this narrative to play along, I think it's definitely there. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening right now. If you're looking at the dominance, it's still below 60%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is setting itself up for a potential great week. We saw something similar happen, last week as well. We know, Bitcoin, broke out Monday morning, and pretty much had a great entire week. Altcoins popped off. Are we about to see that happen second day in a row? Because we did see a little bit of a shakeout for the market already. So was that the shakeout that we wanted to see before heading towards the upside? That could potentially be, honestly, how it plays out. Because if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, remember, to shake out all these futures positions, you did see a drop for Bitcoin to the likes of $95,646, and shortly after that, Bitcoin is picking up traction again going into Monday morning. Remember, on the weekends, CME futures are closed, more manipulation than usual, but you are looking at Bitcoin heading towards all-time high. And as I've stated in my HBAR update as well as my other updates, I would not be surprised if Bitcoin does retest a new all-time high, or potentially its all-time high, in the next few hours. But now that we have that out of the way, Bitcoin looking great, dominance still low. Let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Dogecoin. So I spoke to you guys about Dogecoin, of course, when we broke in and made history. We broke into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, obviously first time since the 2021 year, which is absolutely crazy to think about, guys. First time since 2021, and Dogecoin has taken the crypto industry by storm. It's carrying the momentum for the meme coin category, and that tells you everything you need to know. And the way it's currently holding in the 0.50 fib zone tells you everything you need to know as far as the interest that Dogecoin currently has. But let's take a look at it on a closer time frame and really understand what Dogecoin is currently doing. So I'm going to switch to the hourly time frame and really understand it from that angle. So you could see this for yourself. The way Dogecoin is holding needs to be understood. You guys know I keep it 100% unbiased. If there was a complete weakness that we're seeing, I'm not shy away from saying that, but definitely mega bullish, momentum for Dogecoin currently. And let me tell you why that is. So after breaking out the significant resistance, as I stated to you guys before, you are seeing that exact same resistance, pretty much showing us the confirmation how important it is. And we have held above that key resistance pretty much since breaking out of there. And, we saw that retest up into the 38.2 to the 48 cents price point. And of course, right now, you guys are probably wondering, well, why is the price down? Are we going to ignore that, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a pullback compared to the all-time high? And on top of that, are we going to ignore how big of a move Dogecoin has had in just a short span of time? And if you want a quick reminder, we love to remind you that from November 4th, you did see Dogecoin go up 228%. So there you are. If you wanted a reminder, there you have it. But the price in terms of, the hourly time frame, you can clearly see an upwards trajectory, higher high, higher low. And I am anticipating Dogecoin will start heading towards the 38.2 and actually set a new yearly high sooner than a lot of people think. And in order for us to see that happen, that is only a move of about 11% to hit a new yearly high. We need to understand the price of Dogecoin is actually trying to break towards the upside, but there is some resistance coming in the way that kind of dates back to the previous cycle. And if this exact resistance we're coming across breaks out, would not even be surprised if this upcoming week Dogecoin's price gets back into the likes of the 38.2 and starts heading towards some of the levels we haven't seen, of course, since 2021. Here, let me actually show you guys something. Let's kind of go back down memory lane. So pretty much after we break into the 38.2, some resistance around the 51 cents, but after that, it's pretty clear to, retest the 56 cents, and that's where all-time high conversations start having. And isn't it crazy to think about that, Dogecoin just a few months back was pretty much close to its bear market levels, and here we are in just a short span of time, things picking up quite fast. And again, this is a continuous reminder why crypto tends to move so fast, and your patience is extremely important. Obviously, you don't want to be getting greedy. As long as you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. There are times where you do see months and months out, years of consolidation, but all it takes is just a few weeks for things to pick up, and that's a perfect example for Dogecoin, perfect example for XLM, XRP, Solana. Solana's been actually thriving, so I wouldn't say Solana. Cardano is a perfect example. So pretty much a lot of these coins that did not move. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Obviously, the conversation revolving around a potential meme coin ETF. I've been, quite clear upon my personal take on that. I think we are going to see an ETF come in for a meme coin. Why wouldn't we? Do you think these institutionals are not aware of, these meme coins? And I think if they were to launch it, it would obviously be Dogecoin, because of course, it has that first mover advantage. So, the future looks great, but let's see what happens. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know down below if you want to see more of these updates. If so, I'll try my best to bring you guys these updates every day or every other day. And yeah, let me know your personal predictions regarding Dogecoin. Do you think Dogecoin is going to break towards an all-time high at the end of the year? I'm straight before the end of the year, or is it going to happen next year? Let me know your thoughts down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.